I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Welcome back to Revenue. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or if you're living on a low income budget and want to learn how to save money and save money for your future, then this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. So I am back with another roll and save randomizer cash stuffing video. And as I stated in my previous video, I'm only dealing with a $10 budget. Now, I'm not too concerned about that because I am saving money for my birthday, which is June 23rd. And this is my Spoil Her binder. So we're just saving money for next year, which is perfectly fine. All right, so what I'm going to do is take the dice and let it tell me which envelope I need to stuff $1 into. But before I do that, we're going to count the money and make sure it is accurate. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first envelope that's going to get $1 is envelope number 4. So we have birthday, hair, nails. So that's envelope number 4, which is perfume. And a little bit about this envelope. Now, I do love luxurious designer perfume. So I plan to buy all the designer perfumes that I really, really like for my birthday. I want like the YSL. I love that perfume. I want me some Chanel and some Gucci. And I can't think of the other ones off the top of my head. Oh, what is it? Carolina Herrera. Just all those luxurious designer perfumes that smell good to me. When I do get those perfumes, best believe that I will be doing a video unboxing and telling you guys how it smells. So please stick around so you guys can see that. Okay, so let's go to the next envelope. Envelope number 5. So that is self-care. So self-care for me is like massages, facials, waxing, pretty much anything that's pertaining to your body, your person, is self-care to me, you know. So I definitely want to make sure I have enough money to get facials and, some waxing and some massages, maybe even acupuncture, who knows. Okay, so let's go to the next envelope. Envelope number 1 is going to get $1. So again, this whole entire binder, which is called my Spoil Her binder, is dedicated solely to my 35th birthday. And so for birthday specifically, this envelope is for like the venue or the location, whatever I'm choosing to do for my birthday. If I'm basically where I'm deciding to go or what I'm deciding to do. So if I decide to like fly out of the state or something, this will cover like my airfare, my hotel stay, all of that good stuff. Or if I decide to just stay local, then this will just cover like wherever I want to go, whether it's to a restaurant, a movie, whatever I want to do, because I haven't decided if I want to celebrate my birthday the entire month of June, or if I just want to do it for that week or celebrate it for that day. So that's what that envelope is for. The next envelope will be envelope number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which we've already discussed. It is self-care. So let's move right along to the next envelope. It's 5 again. So 5 is going to get another $1. Shake it up really good. Okay, 5 again. It's going to get another $1. 5 again. Okay. Hopefully I'm shaking this thing right. Okay, envelope number 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this is nails. Obviously, I like to keep my nails done if and when I can. Although I love to keep my nails done, I'm more on the basic soft life side. So I just like to keep my nails plain or like a nice neutral or soft color. I mainly love pink. Pink is my color. I like pink and white. And I like to keep them short because that's the only way I know how to maneuver with my nails. Now I have, had the designer nails with the diamonds and all that good stuff before, but I prefer to just keep it, real simple and just real cute and soft and classy and to the point. So for nails, I know for a fact that whatever amount I have next year, this is going to cover it. So what I'll do is I'll continue to just keep money in here for, future nails that I need, future visits to the nail salon when I need to get my nails done again. So, all right, next envelope. Envelope number 1, which we've already discussed, what we're going to be doing as it pertains to my birthday. Envelope number 5 again, which I believe is self-care. So, and we've already discussed self-care, so that's fine. Alrighty, so we tried to fill as many envelopes as we could today utilizing the randomizer method. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and count and see how much money we now have in each envelope. And then, of course, on the screen, I put the total amount that I have saved in the binder overall. So for birthday, we have 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $65. Pretty soon, y'all gonna see $100 bills in these envelopes. Hair did not get anything, so, but that's okay. We have 20, 40, 60, 1, 2 in hair. For nails, we have, let's see, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. $34 in nails. Perfume, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. For self-care, let's see what we have. We have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, $69 in self-care. Okay. Maybe I do need to get me a massage and just have a nice little spa day. And lastly, we have shopping. Shopping didn't get anything either, but that's okay. We have 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, $53. All right, so that is all for today. Again, if you are following along, please leave a comment down below on what it is that you're saving for. If you have a specific goal or date for your savings plan, what type of challenges are you doing, or what type of cash stuffing you're doing? What amount do you typically put into each envelope or have to budget with? I know that's a lot of questions. Answer whichever one that you want. It's totally up to you. But again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.